Well, welcome back to another YouTube episode of working on the 75. Today, we're working on the inside. Okay, so the first mod that we're going to do on the inside of the 75 is changing these panel right here, which is your kick trim. Now these are genuine factory Toyota ones that are currently on, and let me tell you, they have seen better days. So, what do we have here? Let me open this up. Our friends at the Cruiser store have actually sent us some brand new kick trims. Now these are made out of aluminium, super strong. They're not going to weather or mark like these ones. And the best bit about these, you can actually get them custom engraved. So they've gone ahead, and I take my hat off to them. They've actually engraved JRC Adventures on these ones. So they're super easy to fit. Let's get them on the 75. We've even got Meg helping here. What are you doing, Meg?
I'm trying to clean it before we put, is it the kick plate in?
Yep.
Yeah, so just getting a few of the marks off that are there. So it's nice and tidy.
Fantastic.
For installation.
First time on the vlog.
First time doing anything on this car. Leave me to the cleaning.
In the fitting kit, you've got little grommets, little plastic grommets. They go into the screws, and it always comes supplied with your little stainless steel screws, attaching screws. So super easy to do.
A few people may be thinking, why is it called JRC Adventures? Why do we have JRC Adventures on the scuff plates? Well, obviously first name, Josh, last name Collins, middle name starts with an R, so that's where we get the JRC. Now it actually fits as well, is because Dad, first name starts with a J, middle name R, obviously same last name C, so JRC Adventures, happy days.
We've already fitted the kick plate on that side, so we're not going to show you, we're not going to film this side, but it's going to be done. This side's all done, on to the next job.
And that next job is the seat covers. Now, I'm pretty stoked about this because we've had this box for a couple of weeks and we have been dying to get them on the car. Now, as you can probably tell by the hat, Superfit have come to the party and they've actually provided a set of seat covers for the 75. So these are their headrests, and let me show you this. This is the driver's seat. They have gone ahead and custom embroidery. Now this isn't something that they've just done for us. You can literally put in your order and get your own, business name, your own name, whatever you need embroidered into your seat covers. Now these are fully canvas. They've got a wide range. Now I've obviously gone for black just to go with the theme. We thought black would look nice. These are super heavy duty, really great, renowned seat covers in the market. So let's get these seat covers on, but before we do that, let's get the old ratty ones off.
Listen, we're going to take the seat out on this one, because 4 bolts, you take the seat out, the seat covers will go underneath how they tie on. With 4 bolts, it's going to be a lot easier. I'll have to remember to turn the airbags off for the seats.
Oh, yeah. This Velcro bit goes up and then attaches. So that way, we've got a really nice seal. Now you can see here on the back, there's actually a nice big pocket, which for us, obviously we're in a cab, chuck an airline in there, it would be fantastic. Okay, time for the bottom. I like a company that doesn't send one but actually sends 2 stubby coolers. That way, Dad obviously gets the warm drink and I get to keep cool, but now Dad's drink actually gets to stay as cool as well. So the first one is done. Now we can put it back in the car. Oh my word, how good is that already? This side looks so old now. I'm gonna start undoing this side. The driver's side is easy because there's no, well, the seat belts are all kind of separate, but the passenger's bench, the seat belts go through it, so that's where it's like a tiny little bit harder.
You've disconnected the airbag seats, haven't you?
Oh yeah, airbags are disconnected.
Good, lucky.
I actually leave them here, I actually leave the airbags disconnected even when we drive.
Well, well, you don't want an airbag blowing up in your face.
No, no way.
Not with the 75 series.
No way.
They go off like a bang. Time to go. And warm.
Okay, flip it up. Then we can perfect. That looks unreal. Let's get this one in.
Seat covers are in. They look amazing. We've got one more mod to do today and then we'll take it for a spin.
So there's one more mod that we're going to do to change the inside, and it's going to add a lot more comfort and a bit of practicality. Now obviously just imagine this, we're in the 75, we're driving up the Cape. These are long drives. What do we need?
You need somewhere to put your arm. If you have driven one of these 75 series or a 70 series in particular, there is nowhere that you can rest your elbow. We need a solution.
Well, we've got a solution. And that solution is a set of OneStone Arm Rests. So let's get these out of the box and we'll give you a look.
These are the armrests, and with the armrest they've got a leather cushioning pad so you can put your elbow on there when you drive, nice and comfortable. And of course, what's a car without a cup holder? Now the 75, they don't come with cup holders. Good on OneStone. They're amazing. Got your cup holder, got your armrest. What more do you need?
Okay, so we're putting on the clear sticker. I can't even see it.
Where is it? Here you go.
I'll probably put it on wrong.
You
No, you
won't.
can't.
This will show how easy it is to put on the OneStone armrest.
Okay.
Even
yeah,
a pregnant lady can put it on. Here we go.
Are you pregnant, babe?
I am pregnant. So does it just go?
No instructions, you just got to work it out.
Oh, done.
Oh, she's done it.
She's done it.
She's done it on the 75.
Are they magnets?
Yeah.
Oh,
How good, eh?
that is so good. I like that it matches the colour. Looks good.
Bit of a disclaimer about this cup holder. It doesn't fit your Frank Green.
We're gonna have to get a converter.
I think there's only one more thing that we need to do after these 3 amazing interior modifications, and that's to take the 75 for a little spin and test it out. Alrighty, well,
Oh, look at these seat covers.
first drive with the interior nice and done.
I reckon we'll get more power.
A can of soft drink, obviously we're driving, with our super fit covers, and well, you won't be able to see on the GoPro, but you put that into your thing.
Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Oh,
That.
I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit and enjoy the ambience, hey? How good is this? I hope everyone out there can hear the reverse beep.
Everybody knows about the reverse beep.
I
And
love
nobody
it.
nobody
I
likes
love
it.
it.
Nobody likes it. The seats are great too.
They are, they feel nice.
They actually do feel nice. Tell you what, we wouldn't really want a third person.
No, you want a pretty 2 skinny boys in there.
Oh yeah. Far out.
You happy?
Oh yeah, very much so.
Oh, yeah.
That is the end of this episode, and I tell you what, it has been fantastic. It's amazing what 3 short and pretty quick mods to install makes such a massive difference and change to the 75.
Oh, doesn't it? Even driving it, you sit in nice seat covers, you got an armrest there, and the scuff plates when you get out. Oh, I tell you what, I'll do that every day of the week.
Now, if you're interested in any of those 3 products, I'll make sure that I put the links to what we installed below. And we just want to, give a massive shout out to those guys as well for supplying us with that gear. We are greatly appreciative. And we're also appreciative if you've made it this far. Don't forget to leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.